Wait, Steph. Uh, as if you can't get enough of me and my voice, I thought coming back from the break would be a good time to go ahead and share pulling reports for dismissal changes. We've got a couple of long-term subs in the building. One we're hoping to transfer over to a full-time employee. But also, there's been a few miscues in the past couple of weeks, so I thought a refresher would be appropriate at this time. So, first of all, you'll log into your dashboard, and in the bottom left-hand corner, you will click on Reports. And once your reports come up, then you will select your report type, which is going to be the daily student dismissal plan. And then from there, you're going to choose your own class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Miss Farrell's class because she is out on maternity leave and can't defend herself right now. Just kidding, Bailey. But she does have a long-term sub, Miss Veal, in her place. So it's good information for everybody to have. You'll cover for teammates. Then under options, you're going to, after you click your classroom, under options, you're going to select only students with changes. And this should show only the kiddos that have made changes for that particular day that you choose. I know if you go into your classroom in other areas and take a look, sometimes it won't show the changes and you might miss them. But if you go through this way, you will catch the dismissal plan changes for that day. So again, you need to select the day. So since we're about to be back in person on the 16th, I'm going to go ahead and choose the 16th to see any changes that parents might have made at this point in time, and then click on Display Reports. And then scroll down and you'll see that Miss Farrell has a couple of her kiddos who have changed ways, that they typically do school to YMCA or Carline, and that for Tuesday the 16th, they are going to be walkers instead. So the best time to run this is going to be after 2:45 on the day of dismissal, because parents have up until that time to be able to change it. So obviously, if it's Sunday and I'm doing this report, I want to check back on Tuesday to make sure that it is correct. So again, reports, and then daily student dismissal plan, classroom, only students with changes, select the date, display report, and you come up with the changes for that day. Hope that helps, and talk to you soon.